Okay, the first one. Great, great. Now, please try this question. Okay, this is a very simple question. Please try this and share your answer. Aman, you have joined after many days. Aman, you can reply me on the chat box. My voice is audible. Uh, Aman, I'm waiting for your reply. Okay, so please reply. Abdur, we have just started the class. Okay, so this question is also based on Bayes theorem. Please complete this question and share your answer. And Aman, let me know. I guess you have missed the complete probability chapter
No, sir. I was here for the first half of it before base theorem.
before Bayes theorem. Okay, so did you check the recorded lectures?
No, sir, I didn't.
Okay. So let me explain this question to you. But it is better if you will see the recorded lectures, okay? Because there's a law of total probability. So check
Okay,
here.
sir.
Now, what's a Bayes theorem? Bayes theorem states that suppose you have a sample space S, okay, and you have some events E1, E2, E3, okay, and so on up to En. So you have these events, and these are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, okay. Now, if you have an event A which can occur with any of these events, then the probability of this one, P, suppose E1 by A, so it is equal to P1, okay, into PA by E1 by PE2, sorry, P1, PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 and so on. That depends on the number of events there in the question. So if you will see this question, then here you have a three box which consist of these balls. In the first box you have these balls, and the second one you have these, and in the third one you have these balls. Okay, one of the boxes selected at random and a ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is red, find the probability that it is drawn from the first box. So always remember, whatever they will give you in the question in the Bayes theorem, always take that as A. So Here they are saying if the ball drawn is red. So we will say that let A is the event that the ball drawn that the ball drawn is red. Okay. Whatever they will ask you, take that as even. So here they are saying find the probability that it is drawn from the first box. So take even as event of selecting event of selecting first box. First box. Okay. Next is E2. Take E2 as event of selecting second box. Okay. Next E3. Event of selecting third box. Okay. I'm not sure what's the issue here. Okay. Now what they are saying in this question, they're saying if the ball drawn is red, it is already given that the ball drawn is red, find the probability that it is drawn from the first box. So that means they're asking this one. So it is equal to P even, okay, into P A by even by P even into P A by even plus P E2 into P A by E2 plus P E3 into P A by E3 and so on and so on. Okay. So what is P even in this case? P even is selecting the first bag. So you have 3 bags. So P even will be 1 by 3. What is P A by even? From the first bag, you are selecting a red ball. Okay. So P A by even, it is even. So the red balls are 6 here. So you can say from 6C1 by 10C1. Okay. Now similarly, I mean, you need to find P E2, E3 and PA by E2, PA by E3. Okay. Now please complete this question and share your answer. Abdur and Umir, if it is done, then you can share your answer. Yes, Abdur, that's correct. Even E2, E3 and same. Very good, Abdul. It is correct. Answer is 2 by 5. That's correct. Convert this in the simplest form. Good. Umir and Aman, let me know if it is done or if you have any doubt, please tell me. Umir, is it done? Aman? Because today we have to start a new topic, okay? Probability distribution. So please do it fast. Is it done, Umir? Aman, is it done? Abdur, yes, today we will complete Bayes theorem and hopefully we will start the probability distribution. Okay. Then in probability distribution, you have mean and variance. So both will not be completed, but we will do the probability distribution. What happened, Umair? Do you have any doubt? Aman, do you have a doubt or you are still doing? You can't solve, Aman? Okay, because you have missed the classes, no, Aman? That's the issue. So, Aman, is it clear that P1 is equal to 1 by 3 and PA by E1 is equal to this? Is it clear? You know how to solve the combination? I guess you know because I already told this in the first class. Okay, okay. So now PE2. Okay, P2 is what? Selecting second bag. So there are three bag. Selecting second bag is 1 by 3. Again, PA by E2. A by E2 means you are drawing a red ball from the second bag. So if you will see the second bag, then in second you have 4 red balls. So 4 C1 by 10 C1. Okay. Next is PE3. So it is equal to what? 1 by 3. Okay. Now please find PA by E3, Aman. So in PA by 3, you have 5 red, 5 black. So 5 C1 by 10 C1. Is it clear, Aman? Now you can solve. You just need to put the values in this formula. You can do now, Aman. Okay, please complete this. Umir, is it done? Is it done, Umir? Okay, so the final answer is Umir 2 by 5. Okay, Aman, please let me know once you get this answer 2 by 5. No, not 1 by 2. It is 2 by 5. Okay. Umair, please unmute yourself and tell me what the value you are getting. What is P A by E1?
What, sir?
What is P A by E1?
1 by 5.
Why 1 by 5? Why not 6 by 10? 6 by 10 is 3 by 5. How you are getting 1 by 5? You have 6 red ball.
Say E2 or E3?
I was asking A by E1.
Oh, E1 is 6 by 10, yes.
Okay, then what is A by E2? 2 by
A
5.
is 2 by 5.
Good.
And then
A by E3?
1 by 5.
1 by 2.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Please check your calculation and this will be the final answer 2 by 5. So now I'm just waiting for you. Please let me know if it is done. Okay, Aman, great. Now please all of you try this question. Okay, this question came in 2000, then 2004, then 2005. Okay. I will give you 6 minutes for this. Please complete. Umair, okay, Umair. I will check. Please complete this, Umair, first. Umair, the question which you have sent me, it's a very simple question. It is based on the conditional probability. Okay, we will discuss after the class. Okay. Sorry, Abdur, typing mistake. Okay, that it has come from plant 2. Okay, whose question is this? Abdur. Abdur, if you will see the question, okay, then the question is a company has two plants to manufacture scooters. Plant one manufacture this much of a scooter and plant second manufacture this much. At plant one, 80% scooter are rated as standard quality, and plant two, 90% are of standard quality. A scooter is chosen at random. Okay, Abdul. So in such a case, always whatever is given, take that as a event that the scooter is of standard quality. Okay. Next, take even as the event which you need to find out. So here they are saying what is the probability it has come from plant second. So we can say this is event that the scooter selected is manufactured manufactured by plant B. Okay, I am taking this as 2 so that you will not get confused. So what we will take at even that the scooter is manufactured by plant 1. Okay, Abdur. Now can you tell me, Abdur, what is P even? Okay, P1 doesn't mean that we are selecting plant 1. P1 means even that the scooter is manufactured by plant 1. Yes, that's correct. 70%. Okay, 70% means 70 by 100. And P2 is 30 by 100. Is it clear now, Abdur? Abdur, is it clear now? I hope yes. Okay. Now please complete this, all of you. What is 90 then? Okay. Now what is 80? 80% of the scooter are rated at plant 1. 80%. So in plant 1, whatever the quantity they will manufacture, out of that 80% is of standard quality. Okay. So this means what? This means what? What is A? The scooter is of standard quality. So PA, and it is given that it is manufactured in plant 1. So in plant 1, what percentage is of standard quality? That is 80%. So 80 by 100. Clear up to now? Okay. Next, we will see what is 90. 90 is standard quality and it is manufactured by plant B. So it is equal to 90 by 100. Is it clear? Okay, okay, great, great. So all of you have written all the values. Please do the calculation and share your answer. Please tell me the answer in fraction. Okay, don't convert that into a decimal. So we need to multiply P1. Yes, yes. So we the same formula. Okay, but here you need to find come from plant second. So that means you need to find PE2 by A in this case. Okay, Umir. 27 by 83, Ahmed. Okay, numerator is correct and the denominator you should get 83. Okay, please again check the calculation. Umir, see the question. They are saying what's the probability that it has come from plant 2? So plant not A by E2. Oh, okay, okay. Good question, Umir. So please check here, Umir. So what I have taken as A is even that the scooter is of a standard quality. What they are saying in the question, a scooter is chosen at random and it is found to be of a standard quality. So this is given. A is given. Okay. So whatever is given, we always write here. And they are asking what is the probability that it has come from plant second. So that means E2. Okay. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. Very good. Aman, uh, did you get the correct answer? Okay, okay, great, great. Omir, only you are left. Please let me know once it is done. Umair, is it done? Umair, please do it fast, okay? We have to start today probability distribution. Yes, Abdur. Umair, is it done now? Okay, great. So the final answer is 27 by 83. Okay, 27 by 83. Okay, now next one. Please try this question. This question came in 2000, then 2002, 2008, 2012, 14, then 2019. Okay, so this is a very important question. I will give you 5 minutes for this. Uh, yes, Abdur. There's the last question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone have a doubt?
So 2000, 4000, and 6000 are they E1, E2, and E3?
Uh, Again, we will check. Whatever is given, take that as A. So they are saying one of the insured person meets with an accident. So we'll say that A event that the insured person meet with an accident. Meet with an accident. Next. Next, even we will take which we need to find. What's the probability that he's a scooter driver? Event that the person is a scooter driver. Okay. Similarly, E2 will be next one, car driver, and E3 will be truck driver. So yes, Abdur, you are correct. Even E2, E3 are scooter, truck, and car driver. Okay. Sorry, Umair, I've just checked your message. Okay. You can do rest of the question. Yes, Sumer, that's correct. E1 by A is 20 by 104. So very good, Abdur. It is correct. Very good. Please convert this in the standard form, simplest form, sorry. Very good. Aman and Umer, let me know once you complete it. Okay. Good, Abdur. It is correct. Okay, Umir, I will. A by E1, this. Okay, so this is incorrect. Umir, if you're saying P E1, so that means probability of E1, okay? And I already told you probability can't be greater than 1. Okay, so 2000 can't be the probability. What will be the probability? 2000 by total. Total is what? 2000, then 4000, 6000, then 6000, 12,000. So P1 is this one, which is 1 by 6. Okay, Umir. Similarly, P2 is 4000 by 12,000. It is 1 by 3. Next is PE3. It is 6000 by 12,000. Okay, it is 1 by 2. Okay, Umir, now put the values and tell me the answer. But I will give you only 2 minutes. Aman, is it done? Is it done, Aman? Very good, Aman. It is correct. This is the correct answer. Uh, Umir, only you are left. Please complete this and share your answer. Yes, observer. Umir, is it done? Shall we move to next? We have only 45 minutes. Okay, Umir, I will give you 2 more minutes only. Umir, it is 1 by 52. Are you getting this one? So you are doing the calculation mistake. Okay, I'm writing all the values here. Please again check these values and let me know tomorrow if you will not get this answer. So P A by E1. Okay, person met with an accident and he is a probability of an accident involving a scooter driver. So it is 0. One of the insured person met with an accident. Okay, so this one A by E2, it is equal to 0.03, and A by E3, it is equal to 0.15. Okay, so it is 0.15. Please again check your calculation and please check this. You should get this one 1 by 52. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, Umir, last one is 0.15 and you have put 0.015. That's a mistake. Okay, that is 0.15 and you have put 0.015. So Umir, please again do the calculation. Okay, now we are starting the next topic. Mean and variance of a random variable. Okay. Okay, so next our topic is random variable. What's a random variable? Let S be the sample space associated with a given random experiment. A real valued function x which is assigned to each event to a unique real number is called a random variable. We will take example. For example, we are tossing a coin 2 times. So what will be the sample space? It will be head head. Okay, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. This is your sample space. Okay, if I will say to you that x is a random variable of the number of hits. If I will say to you that x is a random variable of number of hits. So for each event, you will check this number. So if we will talk about HH, then here we have 2 hits. So we will write 2. If we will see this one, HT, here we have 1 hit. So we will write 1. Then we have another one, TH. Here we have 1 hit. So we will write 1. Sorry. Okay. And then we have a tail tail. Okay. So it is 0. So what we are doing, to each event, we can associate a number. To each event, we can associate a number which is called a random variable. For example, here with this 2 head, we have associate this with 2, this with 1, this with 1, and this with 0. Okay, so these are called the random variable. When you will associate each event to a number, that one is called a random variable. Okay, when we will see some questions, then this topic will be clear to you. Okay, I know you might have some doubt in this. Please note down this. When we will start the questions, then this will be clear to you, the random variable. Okay, please note down this, raise your hand, then we will see another topic, then we will see the questions. Everyone, is it done? Abdur, Aman, Umair, is it done? Shall we move to next? Umair, you just need to note down these 3 lines. Okay, please do it fast. Abdur and Aman, is it done? Uh, okay, Aman. Abdur, there's no need to note down the example. Just note down these 3 lines. Okay, I will again explain this to you when we will take an example. Okay, Umair, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Aman. Umair, shall we move to next? Okay, great. Next one. Next is probability distribution. Okay, I will again explain random variable when we will start the questions. What is a probability distribution? If a random variable x take values x1, x2, x3, xn. Okay, if these are the values of the random variable and these are its probability p1, p2, p3. That means the probability of x1 is p1, probability of x2 is p2, probability of x3 is p3, and so on. Okay, then this representation. Okay, here we will write x, and x is x1, x2, x3, and here we will write it their probability. Okay, then this representation, this tabular representation is known as a probability distribution of x. Okay, so what is a probability distribution? When you will write a random variable and you will write it their probability, then this is called the probability distribution. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this and always remember the sum of this probability will always be 1 because you know the total probability is always 1. So in 1 mark question, they can give you a question like this. They will give you the probability and they will ask you that this is a correct probability distribution or not. So first you need to check that the sum of the probability is 1 or not. Second, always remember probability is from 0 to 1. So if the probability is negative, reject that. If the probability is greater than 1, then also reject that. Okay. Please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will see a question.
Table is known as probability distribution.
Sorry, Abdul.
So, sir, the table which you make, that is the probability distribution.
Abdul, your voice is not clear. Can you send me on the chat box? So the table which you made, yes. Okay. When you will write the random variable and you will write the probability, then this complete is called the probability distribution. Okay. In 1 mark, they will ask you that this is the correct probability distribution or this is the probability distribution or not. So check if the sum of probability is 1, then it is a probability distribution and probability should be from 0 to 1. Okay. So all of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, I'm good. Abdur and Umir, please confirm. Okay, Aman and Abdul, very good. Umair, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay, great. Okay, so this is a question. Determine which of the following can be the probability distribution of a random variable. Okay, so please send me your answer on the chat box. All of you, please check one by one and tell me that the first one is a probability distribution. Then tell me the second one, then tell me the third one. Okay. Okay, Abdur. One is okay. And what about the second, Abdur? Second is only the first two is not. Okay. First is probability distribution. That's correct. Second is not because the sum of probability is not one. What about the third one? Yes, Saman, your answer is correct. Abdur and Omer. What about the third one?
Yes, sir, it is.
It is. Why it is? Check here.
So the sum is
But the probability is negative. This is not possible. Okay, so you need to check both. Probability can't be less than 0 or greater than 1. That is not possible.
so, but if we add them, we get 1.
Yes, but you have to check both the conditions. Okay, the sum of the probability should be
Okay,
1, and second, the probability, all the probability should be from 0 to 1. Okay, so this is also not. Omer, please sum this probability 0 0.6, 0 0.1, 0 0.2. It is not equal to 1. Okay, always remember in probability distribution, when you will add the probability, you should get a 1. So here it is not equal to 1. That's why this is not a probability distribution. Clear, Omer? Omer, is it clear? Okay, great. So we will start next question then. This we will see later on. Okay, this again. Okay, yes, this question. Okay, find the probability distribution of x. And what is x? The number of heads in two tosses of a coin. We need to find the probability distribution here. Okay, now you are tossing coin two times or two tosses of a coin. So sample space is head tail, tail head, and tail tail. Okay, so what are the possible values of x? X can have value 2 head, 1 head, and 0 head. Okay, so these are your random variable. I hope now it is clear to everyone. So whatever they will give you in the question, take that as a random variable. So here they have given you the number of heads in two tosses of a coin. So here the value of x will be 2, 1, and 0. Is it clear? Abdur, Aman, and Umair?
so,
Yes.
so what do we take for x?
X, we will take the numbers. Okay, what number? That you will get from here. They're saying number of hits. So when you are tossing a coin 2 times, then how many hits you can get? You can have a 2 hit, you can have a 1 hit, or you have a 0 hit. That's why the value of X will be 2, 1, and 0. Clear up there?
And then so what about P of X?
Yes, that we will find here. Okay. Px is equal to 2. First of all, we will find for this one. So observe, X is equal to 2 means 2 hits. So can you tell me what will be the probability?
So 1.
1 by 4? This is your
Yes, sir, 1
sample
by
space. Okay. Next is Px is equal to 1. What is the probability?
so 2 by 4.
Very good. Next is Px is equal to 0. What is the probability?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. So what is the distribution? X is 0, 1, and 2. And what is the probability? It is for 0, it is 1 by 4. For 1, it is 2 by 4. And for 2, it is 1 by 4. Okay. So this is your probability distribution. I hope now it is clear to everyone.
So sir,
Okay.
we get 1.
Yes. You can see the sum of the probabilities one. So you don't need to find out the sum. Okay. But you can check this so that this will be confirmed that your answer is correct or not. So whenever they are asking you to form a probability distribution, first of all, decide the value of X, then find its probability, then represent this in the tabular representation. Okay. So Abdur, Aman, and Umair, I hope this is clear to you. Please note down this, raise your hand, then I will give you a question. Okay, Abdur, very good. Aman and Umair, is it done? Aman, Umair, is it done? Umair and Aman, please confirm so that we can see the new question. Umair and Aman, is it done? Okay, Umair. Aman, I hope you have also completed this. Okay, now please try this question. 3 cards are drawn. Find the probability distribution of the number of aces. Okay, first tell me on the chat box what will be the possible values of X. Okay. Oh, very good, Aman. It is correct. Very good. Now, Aman, please find the probability. Okay. And tell me one by one their probability, Aman. Okay. So that I can see your calculation. And Abdur and Umair, please share the value of X. No, Abdur, that's not correct. I already told you to use a combination. Please don't do the selection questions directly. Always use combination. But before that, Abdur, tell me what the possible values of X you will get. And Omer, you also please tell me the value of X. That you will do later on, Abdur. Omer, tell me the value of X first. And Aman, you also first tell me the value of X you will get. You need to find the probability distributions. Okay, so you need X first. 3 cards are drawn. Probability distribution of the number of aces. Aman, what will be the value of X? Okay, you have already sent the answer. Good. Abdur and Omer, tell me what will be the value of X? No idea? Again, check here. You have 52 cards. I already explained this to you. So you have 4 types. Okay. Diamond, heart, spade, and club. Okay. Who has sent the answer now? No, Abdur, that we will decide later on. Okay. First, you need to decide what will be the value of X. Now, in each of these cards, there will be a A. So there are 4 A's. Okay. Probability distribution of the number of aces. When you are drawing 3 cards, then what will be the value of X? This can happen that in these 3 cards, you do not have any ace. So value of X can be 0. You might have 1 ace. So 1, then 2, then 3. So the value of X will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Uh, no, that's not correct. Okay, so these are the value of X. So X is what? X is 0, X is 1, X is 2, and X is 3. Now we will
So, sir,
calculate
X
it.
is a sample space.
Sorry, Abdul?
Sir, X is sample space.
No, for each event, whatever the event you have in the sample space, you will associate that event to a number. That number is called the random variable. Okay, here they are saying number of A's. So you will see that in 3 cards, how many A's you can get. You can have a 0 Ace, you have a 1, you have a 2, you have a 3. That's why 0, 1, 2, and 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to calculate their probability. So first we will calculate Px is equal to 0. So Abdul, please tell me what is meant by x is equal to 0?
So means there is no ace in
There is
52
no
card.
8. Okay, so in 52 we have 4 ace card and 48 the remaining card. We are drawing 3 cards. Okay, and we when we are drawing 3 card, you should not get any ace. So that means these 3 card you will draw from the 48. So this will be 48C3 by total is 52C3. Is it clear, Abdul?
So we are drawing 3 cards, right?
Yes, we are drawing
So
3
we
cards.
have to use the combination.
Always, whenever you're doing the selection, please use combination. Do not do directly.
Yes, sir. So we have again 47 or 51 like that.
No. We are drawing 3 cards simultaneously. Okay, if they will give you, okay, good question. If they will give you that you are drawing a cards and with replacement or without replacement, something like that. Okay, then use that concept. 48 by this, then reduce 1 card. So that question will be of conditional. In this question, they have just given you that 3 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So we will do this directly. If in the question they will mention you with replacement, without replacement, so then the concept of conditional probability and independent event will come. Okay, but if they are saying that you are drawing 2 cards, 3 cards simultaneously, or just you are drawing a 3 card, then do like this only.
So sir, it's without replacement.
Um, yes, Okay, but they have not written anything, so don't take that concept of conditional here. If they're saying that you are drawing two cards or three cards, just use this simple combination. Okay, Abdur?
Yes, sir.
Abdur, where you are getting confused? Uh, what's it out, Abdur?
No, sir, it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. Umir, if you will see the previous questions of conditional probability and independent event, then in that question, they always tell you that with replacement, without replacement. Okay. You can see in this question, they have mentioned nothing. They're just saying to you that you are drawing a three cards. Okay. So always use combination. Use that concept when they write in the question with replacement, without replacement. Or from the meaning of the question, you will get to know that they are drawing one card, they are removing that, and again they are drawing another card. Okay. So today after the class, Umair, just see the previous questions of conditional probability and independent event. Then you will get to know the difference between these two. Okay. So we have four ace cards. So I only from 0 to 3. How many cards you are drawing, Umair? Umair, how many cards you are drawing in this case? 3. So is it possible that you will get 4 ace? If you are drawing 3 cards, Umair, is it possible that you will get 4 ace? Okay, so that's why we have taken the number from 0 to 3. 4 is not possible because when you are drawing 3 cards, 4 ace is not possible. Okay, now x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means you will have 1 ace. So what will happen? When you are drawing 3 cards, 1 card you will draw from here and remaining card you will draw from here. So that means 4c1 into 48c2, okay, by 52c3. Is it clear, Abdur and Umir?
No, sir.
Abdur, what is mean by x is equal to 1?
So there is one ace
There
out
is
of.
only one ace.
So
Okay,
it
so
must
if
be
we
1
will
by
see
52,
then,
right?
sorry.
So it must be 1 by 52, right?
No, no. What I already told you, never told you in the first class only. Always use combination. Okay. I guess in the first class I gave a question like that. You're drawing 2 cards, 2 balls, or you're drawing 1 ball. So I told you the difference between those two. Okay. Please turn your pages after the class. Check that question. And always remember, whenever you are drawing card, you're drawing ball, please don't do it directly. Use the combination method. Okay, because what happened when you are drawing a single ball in or a single card, in that case direct formula and the combination formula give you the same answer. That's why you will not face any issue. But whenever your number when you are drawing balls or cards more than one, it will give you incorrect answer if you will do that directly. Okay, so the best thing is always use combination so that there will not be any chance of doing the mistake. Okay, now we are drawing 3 cards and one should be ace. So one ace we will draw from 4 because there are 4 ace, and remaining 2 cards we will draw from 48. So 4c1 into 48c2 by 52c3. Is it clear, Abdur?
Yes, sir.
Aman, Umir, is it clear? Reply me on the chat box. Aman and Umir, is it clear? Okay, Aman, good. X is equal to 1 equation. What you don't understood, Umir? How we get x is equal to 1? Or this one? Okay. Umir, we are drawing 3 cards, okay? And in 3 cards, we need how many is? 1 is. Okay. So how you will get a 1 is? In 52 cards, you have 4 is and 4 and 48 the remaining cards. If you have to draw 3 cards and you need only one ace, then one ace will be drawn from the four one. Okay, and the remaining 2 cards will be we will select from 48. So 4 out of this 4c1 into 48c2. Why? Because you have 4 ace, and from that 4 ace you need a single ace. And why we are selecting this 2 from 48? Because 48 are the non-ace cards. So 48c2 by total. Total is always 52c3. Is it clear, Umair? Okay, great. Now, everyone, please tell me in the form of combination x is equal to 2. Okay, don't tell me the direct answer. Tell me in the form of combination. What is probability of x is equal to 2?
So 8c1 into 48c1 by 52c3.
Abdur, will you please repeat again?
So 8c1.
Why 8c1?
So
What is
in
8?
aces we take 2 aces
Yes, we need 2 ace. So 2 we
and
will
one
draw
from
from.
normal.
Yes, so 2 we will draw from 4 ace.
Yes, sir. So it's
So
8.
why 8? Is it not 4c2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, into 48c1 by 52c3. So who has given this answer? Umair. Umair, good. That's correct. Uh, now, Aman, Umair, Abdul, tell me what will be the probability for x is equal to 1. Sorry, x is equal to 3. Please tell me this one.
So 4c3 into 48c1 by
4c3. So you have drawn 3 cards. Okay, you need 3. You have drawn from 3. So, Abdul, how many cards we will draw from this 48 now?
so 0.
0. Okay, so there's no need to write down that. Okay, leave that. 4c3 by 52
52c3.
C3, very good. So he has given this. Okay, Aman, that's correct. Okay, Aman, or you can ignore that 48C0. Okay, because that's value is 1. Umair, is it clear? Okay, great, great. So all of you, please note down this. I have given you the probability also. Do the calculation and tell me what the final answer you are getting. Okay, do the calculation of these. Okay, Umair, I am doing here. Okay, I will tell you how to solve this, but the calculation you have to do on your own. So NCR, it is equal to n factorial by r factorial, then n minus r factorial. Okay, so 48C3 means n factorial. N is 48 factorial by r factorial, 3 factorial. Then n minus r means 48 minus 3. So that is 45 factorial. Then expand this 48 factorial. Okay, what you can write in place of 48 factorial? 48 factorial is 48 uh, into 47 into 46 into 45 factorial. Okay, so where I will do on the next page. See here. So we have 48 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 fact into 45 factorial. So this 48 can be written as 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 factorial by 3 factorial into 45 factorial. So cancel out this. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1s. Okay, cancel out this. 2, here you will get 23. Here 3, 1. Here you will get a 16. Okay. Now in this way, Umair, please do the complete calculation and share your answer.
So you have to do the same thing for 4C2 also.
Yes, for all, okay. Wherever you have a combination, apply the same formula and share your answer. Abdur, Aman, Umir, please tell me the answer one by one. Okay. First, tell me this answer. If anyone if anyone has done the calculation. Abdur, please tell me in fractional form.
So it's a big calculation, sir.
It's then how you have converted into decimal. Are you using calculator, Abdur? Please don't do that.
Yes, sir, because it's very big calculation.
Yeah, that's correct. But in exam, you will not get a calculator. Okay. So 48C3 by 52C3. So here we have done 48C3. This one. So what you are getting? 16 into 47. Here 16 into 47 into 23. By in the denominator you will have 52 factorial by 3 factorial into 49 factorial. So that means 52 into 51 into 50 into 49. So this will get cancelled out. 3 means 3 into 2. Okay. So 2 you can cancel out with this 26 and 3 you can cancel out with this 1 7. Okay. So that means you're getting this one 16 into 47 into 23 by 26 into 17 into 50. Okay. Even you can cancel out this 13. This is 8. Okay. Then you can multiply this and find out the answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Aman, Abdur, Umir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can do the calculation homework.
Yes, sir. Will do.
Okay, Umir. Aman, you can do this calculation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so probability distribution we have started. Now I hope you can do the questions on your own. Okay, so I will give you the homework. And tomorrow we will continue this probability distribution and try to start mean and variance also. Okay, mean and variance is the last topic. So hopefully till tomorrow we will complete this chapter. So note down the homework. Homework is assignment fourth. Assignment fourth. Okay, and from question number 1, question number 1 to just give me a minute. Question number 1 to 9. Okay. These are based on probability distribution. So please complete this and tomorrow we will complete this chapter. Only two topics are remaining now, mean and variance, that is based on the probability distribution. So now you know how to prepare that table. From that, in that we will just put two formulas and then your chapter will be completed. Okay. And Abdur, your doubts I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, because from the mean and variance also you have some doubts.